It's been a minute, but we're back. Hey everybody, Rick and Nikki here, back at Universal's Islands of Adventure. It's been a while. Like, all the major updates have been happening at studios. That's true. But we have to check in on this place.
There is some good stuff here though. I know we wanted to try a new food.
Yes, always new food.
Always new food.
Let's get to it. It's gonna be a hot, busy day. Some may argue the point, but I believe Islands of Adventure, because it has the better rides, a bit busier than studios. As soon as we enter the park, we have the trading company. Let's step inside and see if we have at least one or two new items to show you. A couple new Niffler plushes to show you, $18 each. And for that price, they should start stealing for you. And just to demonstrate the size of these cute little fellas, they're about the size of an iPhone 11. Right, Nikki? For that price, they should start stealing for us.
Said that off camera.
Did you? We had the same thought.
Sure.
But here's an original thought by Nikki. Show you guys Aragog.
$21.95.
Ah, $21.95. Basically, $22. The price of the VIP experience, about $500 a person this time of year. We're about to head into Suess Landing, and these little, almost an arch, still incomplete. They whacked them off there. I don't know if they're gonna add those back. It is a busy day here at Islands of Adventure, but currently here at Green Eggs and Ham, just a couple people ahead of us, which means a low wait time for us, which is good. Why? Because the new food we wanted to show you is here at Green Eggs and Ham. The carnitas tots are new for $10.99. Roasted pork, jalapenos, tomato salsa, scallions, lime cream, and white cheese sauce over tater tots, of course. Wow, we just started this vlog and it's already time for
a Rix Flix food review.
A new dish, the carnitas tots at Green Eggs and Ham. Now, let me be up front. I am not a fan of this location.
Oh. Okay.
However, what we just had is probably my favorite thing that they offer. Why? I like pork.
Yes, you do.
So the pork was good. They had some big chunks in there.
They sure did.
And that lime cream sauce was good.
Yes, it is.
And the tots were tots. What did you think?
I really liked it. It was, the veggies on top were really fresh. I really liked the sauce, like you said. And it's a shareable item. You know, I think that we both walked away, you know, sharing the one thing pretty well, you know, full.
Yeah, which is what I think of this place. I don't think of it as like a place for lunch or dinner. For me, it's more of a snack place.
Yeah, and it's a fun shareable snack for sure.
So. Now,
it moves slow, so just be prepared because, I mean, everything's made like really fresh. Even the tots, sometimes I feel like they fry them up right as they're ordered.
It was hot. The plate was hot.
It is. So I think that they're made like to order, which is great because you always are gonna get a fresh, you know, plate, which is awesome.
Tots are best when they're hot. In the last weekly roundup, someone asked about perks during pass holder appreciation days, and I said I wasn't like thrilled with the perks, but a lot of people chimed in the comments saying that in the past, the hotel rates have been good for pass holder perks. We'll see if that continues this year, but that was the feedback I was getting. Now, me being a local pass holder, not really a perk I've ever used. All right, kids, let's venture into a lost continent. It seems like the only time I talk about Poseidon's Fury is when it's closed. It is open, and it is a 25-minute wait right now. Something newish to show you inside of the Treasures of Poseidon. A couple of new scented candles. Each one is $20. We have one called Dragon Duel and one called Sunken Garden. But if you're interested in theme park scented candles, check the description box of this video. I hooked up with a company, a local company, that sells those. Use the promo code RixFlix and save 15%. If you happen to purchase that Dueling Dragon candle, you might want to match it by buying a t-shirt. Inside the Village Potter, they sell dragon t-shirts. Like this one for $25. Looks like they're dueling. Here's another one for $25. Looks like they're dueling too. This store happens to have a whole wall of How to Train Your Dragon merchandise. The Hogwarts Express is just a 10-minute wait, but Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure is a 120-minute wait. And this is how I know. Right there, 2 hours. Now they have made a change to Hagrid's queue. It's a slight change, and then they made it like 3 or 4 weeks ago. One of the safety videos that shows you how to enter the motorbike, it used to be animated. Now they're using like real actors to show you how to sit in the motorbike. And look what I found in my bag the other day. I totally forgot I had a Ruby ticket to Express Hagrid's. It is still valid. It's valid until like late September. And if we want to use it today, Nikki and I are gonna have to fight for it. I think she would win. So as I was standing here, a team member was telling another team member that this locker is full. In turn, this team member said, well, this one's full too. So they said, hold them.
And if you ever wondered why, that's why the line backs up.
The rainstorm clouds are building early today. I wonder if we're gonna get wet before we leave. Time to jazz up this vlog with an action shot. Also, they need to trim the bushes here. Won't be long before we won't be able to see Hagrid's motorbike adventure. This is one of the few organized photo opportunities here in the Wizarding World. I almost walked right by the castle and figured, we're here, I might as well show it to you. A beauty shot. And as always, welcome to Jurassic Park. And look at that, Nikki is totally prepared to enter today. Nice backpack, Nikki.
Thank you very much. It's one of my favorites.
You're Jurassic in the back and Jurassic in the front. Oh, what the heck? How about another beauty shot? This one of the Velocicoaster, which is a 55-minute wait at the moment, and single rider line is at capacity. Let's see if there's anything interesting inside of the Velocicoaster gift shop. I don't know about merchandise, but there is something new in here. A new baby dino. It just hatched. This is baby Echo having its first pictures and videos done. I didn't do this. I just happened upon this, but it's funny. I hardly ever show you guys the Jurassic Park Midway, but they have tons of dino prizes. Hammond's Hot Shots, the basketball game, they have some cute prizes. Look at this. Look at this little puffy dino. That's the small version, but look over here. They have a larger version of that big puffy dino. Hammond's Hot Shots. I'm not good at this one. And here's a whole wall of new prizes that you can win at Hammond's Hot Shots. Nikki kind of likes this one.
I do. Look,
she kind of likes that one.
Be careful, it's been venom.
Cute. Oh, good prizes over here at the Jurassic Park Midway.
Yeah, they have the cutest toys over here at Jurassic Park. Oh my gosh, it's totally worth getting the game pass just to try to win these things. They're so cute.
Except the one game I'm good at, the balloon, the DNA popping balloon thing.
Yeah.
They don't have the nicer prizes. I'm good at that one. I'm so good at that one. So bad at the basketball.
Well, the little one that they had was really, really cute.
Yeah.
It was cute. I like it.
But the other games have the cutest prizes.
They kind of do.
I think a very popular food item has returned to Natural Selections. Let's get in line and find out. Blue's Churro Bites for $6.49. They're blueberry flavored. So that's the first time I've ever had like a flavored churro, other than like your usual like cinnamon and sugar. Pretty good, not bad.
It's mild. It's a mild taste. Not my favorite though. I'll just stick with regular
Classic.
old classic. Yeah.
Vintage churros.
Yeah.
But that's not the only thing we bought there. You bought something to take home, didn't you? What was it?
I did a Papa Rihanna.
She loves it. She loves it.
I was like, it's portable. I can take it. I'll just throw it in my bag. It'll be all right.
You'll have some tonight. I think it's more crowded today in the Jurassic Park area than Harry Potter. In Toon Lagoon, I think I'm gonna have some fun and shoot some water with these water cannons.
So we're on cannon number 7, and then there's the barrel right there. Or the gun, the water gun.
Oh, it's one shot. It's just one shot.
Oh.
It's one shot per dollar. I'm gonna do it again.
Okay.
Second shot.
So it's $1 per use.
Right, here it comes, here it comes.
Okay, so cannon number 7, here comes the unsuspecting victims.
Honestly though, I feel like I got $1's worth of entertainment per shot. I did. This splash pad in Toon Lagoon still being repaired. They are doing some work over here by the Comic Strip Cafe. Remember a few weeks back where I said this was looking bad, they need to repaint? Looks like they have. And then I don't know if this is new or not, but I have never noticed this patch of artificial grass here. Here's another one. Now, were these always here or was something else here? I don't know. I gotta go back and look at old videos and find out. Maybe they removed something and just using the grass as a placeholder. And one last splash pad being repaired or refurbed. Betty Boop, Popeye, and Olive Oil out. Meet and greet guests. Hello. Will do, Popeye. Thanks for the advice. Here near the entrance exit of Toon Lagoon, this is the Midway Games spot I always update you guys on. First update is Top Glow is shut down. It's all closed up. And then over here, the Whack-A-Mole, they have some Jurassic World dinos as prizes. These red and black dinos right here, now available to win at the Whack-A-Mole. And they have some Care Bears too. And the One In Wins has a few different Spider-Man plushes you can win. And now we're gonna fly into Marvel Superhero Island. Now for sale in Marvel Superhero Island is this Danielle Nicole Loki bag for $82. And the matching wallet is $55. Now this one is a Loungefly backpack. Doctor Strange and the Multiverse, $82. And the matching wallet, $55. We have encountered a major set of construction walls here at Marvel Superhero Island. A lot of this is blocked off with construction walls, or you can call them renovation walls. These walls are adorned with superhero imagery. Yeah, that whole section which houses the Chomp hot dogs is all walled off. Another beauty shot, this one of the Incredible Hulk roller coaster. Did I time it right? Yes, I did. Here it comes. Now that you're all caught up with what is happening at Islands of Adventure, go see what's happening at Studios. Click that video above Nikki's head.
Don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun.
Click it.